Hi, Assalamualaikum and welcome again sa ating YouTube channel. So, ngayon ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng account sa Bilis. Ayan. So, i-open lang natin itong application ng Bilis. So, kung wala pa kayo, mag-install kayo sa inyong Google Play Store. So, kagandahan nito guys, pwede tayo bumili ng item na hindi mo na natin siya mabayaran. So, buy now, pay later siya na application. So, since wala pa tayong account, dito tayo sa sign up. Ayan. Then, ilagay lang natin yung mobile number natin, which is yung active na mobile number natin. Ayan. Then yung active email address natin. Okay? So, ayan. Then check lang natin itong box. Then, sign up. Okay, so ayan. Wait natin yung 4-digit na one-time pin. So, ayan. Nandun na. And then yung code. Hanapin natin doon sa ating email na binigay kanina. Okay, so ito yung OTP. So, ayan. Copy-paste lang natin yan. Okay. So, 6 yan siya. Copy lang natin. And then, ilagay natin dito. Ayan. Okay, so, ayan. And then, ngayon, create tayo ng password. Okay, so, nandyan yung instruction sa taas. 8 characters. And then, meron siyang upper and lower cases. Then, contains characters and numbers. Ayan. Okay, so ayan. Ilagay natin dito ulit to confirm. Okay, so ayan. So pag nalagay na natin guys, save password natin. Okay, so create tayo ng 4-digit pin, which is yung matatandaan natin kasi yun yung gagamitin natin sa pag-login. Okay, so ayan. Okay, so ayan. App security successfully set. So, enable natin itong biometrics para kada login natin, pwede tayo mag-login via biometric. Ayan. So, enable natin. So, register natin yung ating biometric. Okay. So, ayan. As you can see, meron na tayong account. Your account is created. Okay. So, ngayon, kailangan natin siya i-activate para magamit natin yung mga features. So, ang kinakailangan natin dito is yung government issued ID and then clear and visible selfie. So, gagamitin natin yung mga government issued ID natin like passport, driver license, okay? Para magamit natin itong ating Bilis account, okay? So, i-activate natin ngayon. So, pinutin natin itong activate. Ayan. So, ito yung mga kailangan guys na valid IDs. Ayan. So, kung meron tayong national ID, yan yung recommended. So, kung wala, dito tayo sa passport or di kaya driver's license. So, ayan. Pili lang tayo. Ayan. Check lang natin itong sa baba. Ayan. Okay, so continue. Accept lang natin. So, mail. So, ngayon, ipipill up natin ito. Okay, so ayan, na-fill up na natin. And then, place of birth. Ayan, Maguindanao. Then, city of birth. Pagwak. Ayan. So, check natin ito. I understand. Then, continue lang natin. Okay, so, no. Then, no lang din natin. Then, continue. Okay, so, ayan, while using the app. So, yung current residential address natin. Okay, so, ayan, select natin ito. Then, Cotabato City. Ayan. Okay, so no lang natin. So, complete address, office address natin. Okay, so ayan, then continue. So, yung unit number, so kung wala, NA lang natin. Then, continue. Okay, so full name ng family. Ayan, then relationship. So, father. Then yung mobile number niya. Okay, so ayan. So, friend, yung friend natin. Okay, so ayan. Friend. Then yung mobile number niya, okay? Ayan. So, inform your references. So, pwede nila inform natin yung references natin kasi tatawag sila dyan. Then, continue. Okay, so, ayan. Yung ID. So, halimbawa yung driver's license. So, ilagay natin dito yung ID number. Okay, so, ayan. Then, take a photo. Ayan, picturean natin ngayon. Ayan. So, yes. Okay, so we're reviewing your ID. So, hintayin lang natin guys matapos itong pag-review. So, selfie. So, mag-selfie tayo. Okay, so ayan. Then, yes. So, we are reviewing your selfie. So, hintayin lang din natin. Okay. So, ayan. Employment. So, i-add natin yung office natin dito. Ayan. Ayan. Then, hanapin natin yung computer or general. Ayan, office services. So, admin, assistant, 6. Ayan. Then, date of employment. (2024) January 4. Ayan. Okay. So, gross monthly income. So, ayan. Then, payout frequency every month. Okay. So, dito tayo sa 15 of the month. Which days of the month do you get paid? So, ayan, 30, 31, end of the month. Okay, so continue. Okay, so we're reviewing your application. Hintayin lang natin. Okay, so only few steps away. So proceed. Then, proof of billing. So, pwede natin ilagay dito yung water bill at saka yung phone bill. Okay, so ayan. So, halimbawa electric bill. So, dapat natin yan siya upload. Okay, so ayan, as you can see, approve na tayo. Ayan, congratulations. Your bills application has been approved. So, as you can see, meron tayong 6,000 available balance, which is pwede natin siya gamitin sa pagbili ng item na gusto natin, okay? So, ayan. Meron din siyang cash loan, and then yung ating e-wallet, then shops. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan, like Samsung, kung gusto natin bumili ng cellphone, so pwede yun siya. So, as you can see, ang limit pa lang natin ngayon is 6,000. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Amer TV for the latest videos na aking i-upload. Shukran and wassalam.